Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about the Autofiber Barrel Blade. I really like this barrel blade. It's actually easy to get into the barrels of the wheels for once. And if you're like me, you hate cleaning wheels probably more than anything else on the vehicle. So I've been using this barrel blade now for a few weeks, and it's time for me to show you how I use it. It's great. So the barrel blade will bend to a degree, so you can kind of conform it to whatever the shape your barrel is or whatever you need to get into. Now, obviously we're not cleaning it with this. It comes with this nice soft cover, and we just slide it on in, and then the button snaps in. All right, and we're ready to go. All right, like I said, I hate cleaning wheels, and I definitely hate cleaning barrels of the wheels, but I did wash this the other day in 15 total minutes, including the wheels, and that's with using the barrel blade, and it made it that much easier. And so my process is pretty simple. I am gonna spray down. I always rinse off the wheels and get them wet first. If you desire to do so, you can use some wheel cleaner to try to loosen stuff up. So I'm gonna let it dwell for a second, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to foam cannon this wheel, and then I'm gonna use the barrel blade. So we got a little bit of foam and a little bit of wheel cleaner. You notice our wheels are ceramic coated, so the foam definitely does not like to stick. And then I've got fresh water here. All of our water is deionized, but it also has soap in it. And then I'm gonna bend it just a little bit so that I can get up into the barrel. And you can see, I mean, you can see the dust and the brake dust coming and the dirt just dripping right out. I like the barrel blade too because you can kind of see how I can get up into that spoke right there. And you can even kind of clean your spokes if you need to with it. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse it off. After I rinse it off, I'm gonna use one of these Mr. Everything towels to dry it. All right, so you can see why we love the barrel blade. And the great thing about it too is it's easily removed to wash. Now, I've had other barrel cleaners before that, kind of got held up. It wasn't as easy. This comes off easily. It can be, machine washed with microfiber cleaning detergent, and even just cleaned out and wrung out into the bucket. So barrel blade from Autofiber, we love it. You will too, trust me. Check it out.